Hi, I'm Prerna and I'm the author of the e-novel Villa Masuri. The novel is set up in the beautiful hill station of Mussoorie, and it's all about the story of a girl named Tara who's in her mid-20s, and she visits this villa and the horrors of her past, present and future unfold.
Okay, that's quite interesting. It's interesting that as a first-time author, you chose to write a horror thriller novel. What prompted you to write one, and was it an easy experience writing it?
I think as a child myself, I have been very interested in horror movies. So that was a very like something that I can remember from my experience as well, that we used to meet up and we used to just have a huge discussion on which horror movie we should be watching next. So that's somewhere that this grew in me, that maybe I should give this a thought of writing a horror novel myself. So yeah.
I guess horror movies have always been a part of our sleepovers. Do you believe in the paranormal yourselves? If so, any personal experiences that you would like to share?
Yes, I do believe in the paranormal myself. I think it's very interesting and exciting to believe in that. The stories that we all share when we meet up, it's definitely fun. But thankfully, as of now, I haven't experienced anything of that sort.
Yeah, by God's grace, we haven't faced that. Jealousy, envy, and greed is at the heart of the e-novel, and it is what prompts the protagonist to take extreme measures. Is that correct?
Yes, indeed. That's a very excellent point. I think jealousy, envy, greed, these are very strong emotions, and they can wreak havoc, because if you see, these are emotions which can put someone in a position where they act in a manner which maybe they shouldn't have. So I think these are the true horrors that we should be thinking about.
So probably need to stay away from these true horrors then.
Sure.
Which character from your novels would you most like to have dinner with, and why?
I think Divya, but no, it's this brings me to a thought that maybe having both Divya and Tara at the table would be a very interesting experience. Just the conversation and being the audience and just enjoying whatever they do, except having dinner. I just hope that I just come out alive of that dinner.
Yeah, definitely that looks like a touch of spice then. There's something like called the writer's block while working on any piece, right? So did you experience any? If so, how did you navigate through it?
I think it's very natural for all writers to experience a writer's block. And yes, I had mine as well. It's just the motivation of starting the novel. You just feel like you should give it a completion, it like a conclusion. So that drives the writer to complete it and go through the writer's block and give it the end that the novel deserves. So I think that's it.
So one really needs to move along without thinking, right?
Yep.
How long did it take you to finish the e-novel?
I think it was a month for me to write the initial draft of the novel, although the editing process goes on for a longer while.
Okay, that's great. What role did Webnil play in your journey?
Webnil has definitely played a very significant role in the journey. It was an opportunity for me to explore this area of literature. I didn't give it a thought that maybe I can also write an e-novel or a novel. I was I used to write a lot of poetry before that, because that's some sort of novels are some sort of the length used to scare me, maybe because I was not that confident that maybe I won't be able to complete it. But no, it's just the opportunity, or maybe the first go that you need to explore something about yourself.
What do you think of Webnil's format of publishing ebooks?
Webnil's format is pretty interesting and engaging. So the interaction is of that sort that every week we have new chapters coming up. So the reader has something to look forward to. And if you get to read it within 24 hours, you even get to earn points. So that's something that gives an incentive to the readers. Something which is very good to develop a habit of reading.
It looks like Webnil is a great platform for budding readers then. Thank you, Prerna, for your wonderful insights.
Thank you. Catch my e-novel Villa Masuri, a new chapter every Thursday at 8 p.m. only on Webnil. Go download the app now and explore for yourself.